Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode. Today we're going to do a heavy leg day. One of my favorites. We're going to start with squats. That's going to be 5 sets of 5 reps, 3 to 5 reps of heavy squats. We're going to start with 100 kgs. I believe that's 225 pounds. Let's do it. Let's go after it. Alright guys, now we're moving on to 110 kgs. I'm not going to be hitting any PRs today. This is just a through and through heavy leg session, so as challenging as I can have that weight. Yeah, I mean, I love squats. Remember, when you're doing squats, remember to keep your chest forward, your spine neutral, your back straight, sort of like this, and then you go down like that. It's very important because it's very easy with heavy squats, with compound exercises. It's very easy to injure yourself, so obviously you don't want that. So make sure that you practice with a barbell. If you're new to squats, remember to practice with a barbell. Just practice that form, that position, and then start adding the weight. Don't ego lift. Nobody cares how much you lift in the gym. Just make sure that you are safe and be as injury free as possible. So let's go, let's do it. Right guys, this is the last set. This is 120 kgs. I'm not sure how much it is in pounds. I'll put it somewhere on the screen. Yeah, let's do it. Heavy squats are amazing. If you're not incorporating squats into your routine, I really do recommend it. It's a fantastic compound exercise that works out your whole body. Obviously heavily focuses on your legs, but you need your whole body to support that weight on your back, and I really do recommend it. So we're gonna see how many we can do, how many reps we can do. My usual set range for heavy leg days is 3 to 5, as I said in the beginning. So let's see if we can do 5. Only 3 today, but it's still good. I'm still happy with it. There is progress, which is what's important, and it's definitely challenging. Cool. 3 reps. I did 5 sets. Now we're going to move on to front squats. So now we're going to do front squats. Front squats are usually lighter in terms of how much weight you can pull. I mean, some people can obviously pull very heavy weight, sometimes even heavier than they can on their back. or when they do back squats, but this is about 75 kg. I'm not sure how much it is in pounds again. But front squats are really good for your legs as well and for your body. Another great compound exercise. It just focuses on the front part of your legs and less so on the back. So it's really simple again, but you essentially put your bar here on the front like that. You'll see it in a second. And then obviously you squat with it. They are quite hard to maintain that weight, or to keep that weight in place. It's quite hard, especially if you sort of new to it. But with practice, you can achieve anything, right? So let me show you how to do it. So as you can see, the bar is on my collarbone essentially. You can hold it in place and then you squat with it. So let's do it. Last set. It's the 5th set. Same weight, 75 kgs. Let's do it. Let's finish it. Front squats done. Definitely challenging. I tried to have as little rest in between sets as possible, so the weight might not be much, but the amount of rest definitely makes it more challenging, so it's really good. So next up we have hip thrust. This is going to be the last exercise. This heavy, this leg day. Hip thrusts are amazing. Like if you guys aren't doing it, I really do recommend it. And for all the men out there, girls like booty too, so definitely incorporate this exercise into your routine. It's great. It's fantastic for your glutes. It's great for your legs in general, but it really focuses on your glutes, so it grows your booty, which is great, which is what we want. Great, you're gonna need a padding like that. I mean, you can do it without it, but it's really gonna hurt your hip bones, so just get yourself one of these. It's really cheap. Sit down. Roll it onto your legs all the way up. All the way up. Like so. Sorry, I just have a microphone here, so that's why. There you go. There you go. Grab it on both sides, similar way that you would grab it if you were doing squats. This is 150 kgs. We're gonna do 5 sets of 3 to 5 reps. We'll see how much we can do. Let's go. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. It's just a little sneak peek into my leg day. Usually as I said, we do on a heavy leg day: back squats, front squats, hip thrusts. I might throw in some calf exercises, and then we finish it with some cardio. 20 to 30 minutes of cardio, low impact, steady pace cardio, and that's it. And that's the leg day. Trust me. Well, maybe it might not look like much, but it's definitely challenging, and I'm drenched in sweat. So I hope you can get something out of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Drop a like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.